Roofing news for June 19th, 2019. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and I go through hundreds of videos and articles so you learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. So make sure to subscribe. And a very cool, interesting product. They talk about Colorado, Hail Alley. That's where I'm from. The world's first hail-proof material. It comes from EuroShield rubber roofing. And they talked with one roofer who had put it on and has had great success. So, if you're looking for a hail-proof type product, very cool. You got to check out this video. And I put all of the videos and articles that I find on my Twitter page so you can access them really easily. It's at Roofer News, Roofing News 1. TrueFast Adhesive released a video on their plant. JRC Specialist tweeted out, our Calidad 10 Spanish roofing slate on a recent project. OMG tweeted out about updates to their website, the Ranobon Edge Material Olibon Adhesive Solar Attachments. Polyglass has tweeted a video
systems. Polyslope is a reinforced
on the roof
cementitious
slope
compound designed to create auxiliary mix manually. Apply installation.
And Roofing talks about, has an article on Emetco launches redesigned website. And here is the redesigned website. Gorgeous looking site. RoofSnap released a video, step-by-step instructions for receiving your measurements, adjusting pitch values, adding inspection, additional Sketch OS options. So, good little tutorial for you to check out. The Metal Roofing Alliance, why do metal roofs save energy? You could use that in pamphlet material. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, how to tear off shingles that have staples in them. So, good little advice for a rough tear off. Dimitri, always great information. The best roofing shoes. Go through a little demo and some practical shoes to get. Chad Michaels always gives out great detail. How important is the adjuster? He released 2 videos, how to work with an adjuster and preparing the customer for the insurance process. Sam Taggart, always great information on door-to-door. How to run a sales meeting. Adam, the roof strategist, how to do canvassing properly. Don't just leave the neighborhood after you've knocked once. And Charles Antis, great inspiration for philanthropy in the roofing industry. The Ronald McDonald Homes. So if you want to get involved in helping out your community, you might want to talk with Charles Antis. And your laugh of the day, hold your nose, the crop dusk mask. What he does with that, the best damn roofer. So that is the news for June 19th, 2019. It is brought to you by the Roofing Webmasters. I'm an authorized dealer. If you're looking to grow your roofing business, give me a call at 303-519-6353, and I will give you a detailed plan on how you can get more local clients in your area. So I want to thank you for your time. Make sure to subscribe and be safe on the roof. Have a great day. Bye-bye.